Please hit subscribe and change it to past tense. Hi Speechies, it's Lisa. Welcome back to Speech Fairies. Today I have a vintage Fisher-Price game for you. You can see I picked it up at KB Toys for $5.99. I think it's because it had this little rip in the front. So this one's from 1998. It is from Fisher-Price Games, one of my favorite games. They don't really make as many games as they used to. It says there's 2 levels of play and they're ages 3 to 7, no reading required. The whole idea is the little piggy went to market, so you're practicing saving with your very own little piggy bank. Saving and spending. If you're working on the S sound, that could work. We've got gameplay cards, help players earn coins for their piggy banks. So those are your chores. You do some chores and you get some money. And then number 2 is you draw a store card and then go shopping. Number 3, if you have the correct colored coins to purchase the toy board, you win. Advanced play is the 4th one. You can save for more than one toy by matching coin amounts. So on the other side, so you can do colors or you can do the numbers, which are like the coins. So we'll crack into it and see if we got it. But $5.99 was pretty good. So this little piggy went to market. You could even do the little rhyme. Well, here's the instruction sheet. Saving fun. Earn the correct assortment of coins to purchase your favorite Fisher-Price toy. And it talks about how you put on the labels, how you set it up, and then how to play. So we'll see if we got it all. 4 piggy banks. I think we got 4 piggy banks. So they're pretty cute. And the top comes off, which is very nice. So we've got 4 little piggies. We've got our card. We did get all 20 cards. And these are the toy boards, so they kind of fit together like a little L shape. So if you want to buy this special Fisher-Price lawnmower, then you need 2 blue coins, 1 yellow coin, and 1 green coin. Or on the other side, you can look at the number values as well. This one is for the sprinkler. You want some cool roller skates, or you want to buy a really cool easel. So it's kind of like free advertising in a game. So here are the coins. See, it's got the Fisher-Price logo on one side and it's got the numerical value on the other side. So all the yellow ones are worth 10, blue ones are worth 5, green ones are 25, red ones are 1. This game is complete. We got all the pieces. The other thing is, I really like that you could play 2 levels of play here. So you could go for the colors with a preschooler, but if they had an older brother or sister, then you can use the red one that has the money values on it. So you could play at different levels at the same time, which is really cute. You can think about which toy you'd like to earn, and you can pick a color. You can be green, you can be blue, you can be red, or you can be yellow. And I just put the little piggy bank in front. So this is going to be our central bank in the front. We're going to shuffle up these cards and put them in the middle. So that's your gameplay, is to just pick a card. So we'll start with green. Green gets to go first. So green can either trade one of your coins with the bank or trade with another player, but only if the other player wants to trade. So green doesn't have any yet, so we're going to put that one aside. It's blue's turn. Oh, there you go. For making the bed, you get 1 green token and 1 red token. 1 green and 1 red. This is good because they might start looking at the numbers, so that's good. Now it's red's turn. Oh, for vacuuming, you get a yellow token. Or if the child that's playing with this board, you can work on the number 10. And it goes in the piggy bank. Yellow's turn. Oh, that's a swap. But I don't know if yellow has anything yet. Nope, yellow doesn't have any. Green's turn. Oh, we found a red token on our walk. Take 1 red one and put it in. Blue's turn. we got 5, or a blue token. So blue goes in. This might be good to remember. I have a hard time remembering what colors we have. So it might be because I'm taking all the turns for everyone. That could be some good thinking vocabulary. If you can remember what colors we have. Let's look. Wow, we have 4 coins in there already. So maybe if someone wants to trade, trading red would be smart because we only need 1 red. We have 2. So now it's red's turn. Get a blue one. Goes in. Yellow's turn. Oh, a wild one. Let's see what that means. You can pick any color you want. So you can decide whether or not you want to be able to peek or not. So if it's a remembering game, oh, this person doesn't have any. So I think we better pick red before they're all gone. There we go. Hopefully no hammering shows up in this video. Our neighbor is doing something noisy. It's green's turn. Wow, let's peek what green needs. Oh, green needs yellow and green. So let's get a green one. Let's get a yellow one. There we go. Blue's turn. Green one for doing the dishes. Goes in. Red's turn. 10 for raking the leaves. Yellow's turn. We have a yellow and a blue. First yellow, then blue. It's green's turn. Oh, that was the ice cream one. You have to pick one to put back in the bank, so this is good for deciding what you need and what you don't need. So we've got 1 yellow and 1 red, so we'll put the yellow one back. Next player, we'll try to pick things that we don't need. So we need blue, we need red. We can put back 1 red. Be strategic about that if you want. Very competitive. Let's look at red. So they have 2 10-cent coins, so we don't need the extra 10-cent. We'll put that back. So they might need a little bit of coaching there. Which ones do you need versus which you don't need? Yellow doesn't need any yellow coins, so that's the one we'll take away. Okay, I think it's blue's turn. I could be wrong. Uh-oh, everyone has to put back another one.
So green goes first. Ah, poor green. No coins left. Blue's turn. We can put back 1 green because we don't need 2 green. I think there's only 2 cards like that. For red, a yellow, or a blue. We'll put back the blue one, even though we need it. That's part of the rules of the game. You can decide. And we'll put back red. And the yellow team.
So no more of those cards, thankfully. Toy store. So now's a chance to match. Green has 1. Blue has some. We can put 1 blue one on. Red and green. And blue only needs 1 more to win. Let's do red. 1. So I think they're kind of safe now that they're on the board. So if we got those ice cream symbols again, I don't think we'll take them off the board. I think once they're on here, we'll call them safe. So there's safe and save. Let's say it's red's turn because I've lost track. So 25 cents for the present, which is the green one. Oh, and it goes in the piggy bank, not on. So that's a good contrast for in and on. I work on that a lot. So we've run out of cards, so we're gonna have to gather them all up, shuffle them together so we can keep the game going. But I'm gonna say it's yellow's turn. 10 cents for yellow. Doesn't need any yellow ones, but that's okay. We're gonna put it in. Green's turn. Blue and yellow. Can work on some conjunctions. One blue and one yellow. Now it's Blue's turn. You can switch and swap with another player, but they don't have any in their bank yet. So let's do Red's turn. Oh, wild. Let's see what you need. Let's get the blue ones. They're 5 cents, I think. Yes. Or $5, whatever you want to do. And yellow gets green. Goes in. Green's turn. Toy store. All players get to empty their banks. Here we go. We've got yellow and blue we don't need, but we'll just leave it in there. Blue has no money. Red has some money. Let's see. Got blue, 5 cents and 25 cents, and there's only 5 cents left. Then yellow. We don't need the yellow, but we'll keep it in there just in case. So now it's Blue's turn. Oh, ice cream. Which means everybody has to give one back to the bank.
That's in your video anyway. So don't need these ones anyway because it's just put everything out. There. That's okay.
Nobody lost anything they needed. Red's turn. 25 cents for doing the dishes. Doesn't need 25 cents, but we'll put it in. Yellow gets a red and a green. Oh, needs red, doesn't need green. Green's turn. 5. We'll get it, even though we don't need it. Blue's turn. Toy store. Time to unload, everybody. Let's do green first. Blue. They don't need blue anyway. Empty. Red. 25. Don't need it anyway. Yellow. Needs one red one. So it's a tie game. Red needs 1, yellow needs 1, and blue needs 1, and green needs 3. So it's a very close game. I wonder which color you picked. So now it's Red's turn. Toy store again. We won't have to do that. Yellow's turn. Toy store. Green got the ice cream, so we have to give back a coin if you have it. Good way to replenish the bank. Blue's turn. Blue coin. Red's turn. Yellow. Yellow's turn. Oh, they need that one. Oh, next time we get a toy store, yellow might win. Now it's green's turn. Wild. Ooh, green. I think we better get a green one to put in the bank. We're almost gone. Blue's turn. 1. Not the color you need. Red's turn. Last card. It's a switch and swap. Let's see. Oh, we've got something in there. So we'll just switch with the bank because it's easier. We'll take out the yellow and we'll put in the blue. So next time we get a toy store card, it's between red and yellow players. They're the closest. But we have to shuffle our cards again. This game is getting longer and longer. Well, if you've made it this far, congratulations. I can't remember who pulled that, so we'll start with green again. Toy store. Take them out. Everybody can unload. Toy store. Nope, no yellow. Red. a blue. Red is the first to get all their coins. So I think we might have a tie game between yellow and red. Congratulations if you picked red or yellow. You get to buy the lawnmower and you get to buy the sprinkler. So those two players get to buy their toys. The good thing about those two toys is you can share. Everybody can run through the sprinkler and everybody can pop the bubbles. So that's it for this little game. I think it would be easy to replicate if you wanted to play something like this. And just print off some pictures, and you don't need cute little piggy banks, but you could get some from the dollar store or something like that. So if you can't find this game anymore, which might be hard since it was from the 90s, you should be able to make something like this. If you like this video and you want us to keep making more videos like this, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, then great. We're so happy to have you as part of the Speech Fairies family. Follow us on Instagram at Speech Fairies, all one word. That's where you can leave us a comment and let us know how we're doing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Bye for now, everyone.